I'm going to clue you in on one of the best ways to write instructions for AI agents that I found, and it's called meta prompting. Now, the easiest way for me to explain this is meta prompting is something like a field merge email that you used to be able to write. When you used to have that email that would pop up and says, "Hi, name, I'm emailing you about job, insert job title." Those types of field merges, it's almost the same thing as meta prompting, so let me explain. If you wanted an AI agent to write job descriptions for you, for example, every job description is going to need to be different for, say, every state or every place that you're going to put this job description. You likely need to include a few different things. With meta prompting, what you can do is have a prompt that would give you the basic output of what this job description should look like, but then you have an area in your prompt to account for nuance, where you can insert different pieces of metadata so that the agent understands the context that it's writing this job description for. So for example, if you're writing a job description for an organization that is in New York, for example, they may need to include different things in their job description, like a equal opportunity employment organization, or maybe they need to do American with Disabilities Act accommodations, or maybe you need to include salary. For each individual state, you may have different requirements. Well, you can write pieces of metadata that have those requirements baked in and then call those pieces of metadata in your prompt so that whenever your agent writes a job description, they're pulling from the right metadata for the right state to make sure that it actually outputs the right things for you. And that's called meta prompting. And I found it's one of the best ways to make sure that a single AI agent understands the nuance and context that you want it to output the right things.